Jeremy, my last question.
I don't believe it's your last question, but I believe you this time. Bangladeshi community, thank you for your friendship, your support. Without migration in this country, there'd be no health service, no education service, no transport service. Absolutely terrified when the security collapsed. Yourparty.uk has already signed up 750,000 people.
There is a constituency. Do you think your party will give in a candidate? And is that from someone from majority from Bangladeshi people?
Yourparty.uk has obviously got a huge number of people who have signed up for it. We're forming local groups, and formality will become reality in November when we have our founding conference. 2 points on local parties. One is they have to be grassroots, they have to be open, they have to be democratic, and they want them to be holding at least one open public event every month. Decisions on fighting council elections and other elections will have to be made principally at a local level, and I think that's the way we're going to move forward. So yes, we will be fighting a lot of places, particularly against Labour MPs who've voted for austerity and voted for benefit cuts, and particularly against Conservative MPs and Reform MPs who've helped to fuel the racism and the horrors in our society. So you know what? We're going to be big and we're going to be strong, and above all, we will be the ones uniting communities.
I just like to ask you about the recent riots. 150,000 people gathered there. And I can see when you run your party, in one day 600,000 people join your party. So are we going to see some competition with the
yes.
parties? How are we going to fill this?
Yourparty.uk has already signed up 750,000 people, which is 3 times the membership of any other political party in Britain, and is considerably bigger than the Labour Party membership was when I was leader, which was 600,000. Now, we haven't actually formally, legally launched the party yet, but surely that's a sign of something. What's happened over the past year, but really over the past 5 years, has been that Labour has veered in towards reform, has joined in with the attacks on refugees, asylum seekers, has allowed space for reform to rise. Reform have got an easy ride in the media, and Farage is on the television every single day. And that has then given space for Tommy Robinson and Stephen Yaxley Lennon is his proper name, to give rise to the sort of mob racism that we saw in London on Saturday. The only way forward is by uniting communities. The only way forward is by uniting communities and addressing the issues of housing, poverty and inequality. And that's exactly what Your Party UK is determined to do.
From Bangladeshi family, they are attacked by a racist. Have you heard about the news?
I have heard about that. Utterly and totally disgusting what happened. And I was speaking to people that had been on the demonstration on Saturday, and people who were working in a local hospital around here, St Thomas's, absolutely terrified when the security collapsed and they had to run into the hospital for protection because of this drunken mob that was outside. This is beyond disgusting and disgraceful. And what I've done today is an article which the Independent has published saying, as I said to your other question, the issue is dealing with poverty and injustice in our society and uniting people together. We ain't going to solve the housing problem. We ain't going to solve the jobless problem or anything else just by dividing communities. We only do it when we do it together, and we tax fairly and properly the very richest in our society and stop attacking the poorest. It's about redistribution.
Any message for Bangladeshi community for 10-20 seconds?
For the Bangladeshi community, thank you for your friendship, your support, and the love that I get from so many in the Bangladeshi community in my own area as well as other places. And I just want to say, the Bangladeshi community is very large in Britain and makes an incredible contribution to our world and our society. And I want to say thank you to you. And you know what? That's what makes our society so strong. Communities like yours that put such a contribution and work so hard to make life better for all of us. Without migration in this country, there'd be no health service, no education service, no transport service. So, Stephen Yaxley Lennon, think about it.
Thank you.